In today's video, let us see how to convert this recurring decimal to a fraction. Now, what does recurring decimal mean? Recur is to repeat. So when we see a specific set of numbers repeat with the same pattern, those are called recurring decimals. So 0.79 with the dot above indicates the digits that are repeating. Literally means it is this. So there is a specific method to this. Let us take x to be whatever is the question. Now analyze the number of decimal digits and the number of digits repeating. Number of decimal places is 2 and both are repeating. Both are same here. So depending on whether it is 1, 2 or 3, we'll have to correspondingly multiply it with the 10, 100 or 1000. Since both the number of decimal places and the ones that's repeating is 2, 100x should be 79.797979 and so on. Mark this to be 1, this to be 2. Now, when we subtract 1 from 2, the whole idea or purpose of this step is so that the decimal places just get cancelled. It's the same decimal places leaving us with a nice whole number. So on the left, 100 minus x is a 99. The decimal places get cancelled. 79 minus 0 is 79. So x equal to 79 by 99. You cannot simplify it further because 79 is prime. If you look at it, we assumed x to be the given decimal and now we've got a fraction. So obviously this is the fractional form of the recurring decimal. If you check in the calculator, this is indeed the answer. Now this was simple because both the number of digits as well as the ones that were repeating were same. How about something like this? So here, this number, you see the dot is above only 4 and 5, which means only those two keep repeating. Again, as always, we begin with taking x as the given number. Now, there are 3 decimal places, but only 2 repeat. 1 does not repeat. Since there are 3, definitely multiply it by 1000. 345.454545. Now we see that the number of decimal places in x and this are different. So subtracting these two is not going to help. The whole idea is that the decimal places should disappear. So obviously when we multiply it by 10, we get this. So you should analyze what gives us a decimal where the number of decimal places is same, whether it's 10, 100 or 1000. Since these two fit the bill, let us subtract 1 minus 2, 1000 minus 10, 990. So the decimal places will get cancelled. 345 minus 3 is a 342. X will become 342 by 990. So this is indeed the fraction form of this. You can check in the calculator. But this can be simplified further. Immediately at first glance, both should be multiples of 3. So 114 by 330. I think it will go in another 3. So 38 by 110 can be simplified further. 19 by 55. Both are even numbers. Now 19 is prime, so we cannot go beyond this. So 19 by 55 is the least simplified fractional form of the given recurring decimal 0.3454545. So hope that was helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.